Additive manufacturing. Myself, Dr. Suman Das, Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Swami Vivekananda Institute of Science and Technology. So this is additive manufacturing. The code is PEME802F. Now post-processing. So today in this video we will discuss the post-processing of additive manufacturing parts. Now post-processing technique used to enhance the component or overcome AM limitation. So this includes number one, that is the support material removal. Number two, the surface texture improvements. Number three, that is the accuracy improvements. Number four, that is the aesthetic improvement. And number five, that is the preparation for use as a pattern. Number six, that is the property enhancement using non-thermal technique. And number seven is the property enhancement using the thermal technique. So these enhancement, so the post processing, so this 1 to 7 points, the properties and different materials improvement and the surface texture improvement, this will be improved with the help of the post processing technique. Now first one is the support material removal. What is support material removals? The support material can be broadly classified into two categories. So there are two types of support material. Number one, material which surrounds the part as a naturally occurring byproduct of the build process, that is called natural support. One is the natural support, another one is the synthetic support. So what is synthetic support? Synthetic support, that is the rigid structure which are designed and built to support, restraining or attach the part being built to a build platform, that is called synthetic support. Now, natural support post-processing, synthetic support removal, and it is the support made from build material, and that is the support made from the secondary material. Now, support material removal. So, if you see the diagram, so the support material will be removed. So that is the support material is removing, and finally the product is coming out. So automated power removal using vibratory and vacuum asset of Atho machines. So with the help of this machine, so this can be that product is removing from the support. So this is the flat FDM produced aerospace part, white bill material as ABS plastic, and black material in the water soluble support material. So this can be the product. So this is also removed. So this is the support materials are removing. So breakaway support removal, that is point A. The support material is removing, and this is the point. This is the B, figure B, that is the SLA part. So the support material is removing, and finally the product is the final product. Thank you very much. So in the chapter in module 6, so module 6 we elaborately describe the all the post processing parts,